coffee. Coffee is mean coffee. When you say English, just say coffee, but when you say in Japanese, they say the long sound like coffee, coffee. And when you want to drink coffee, you can say coffee o nomimasu. Coffee o nomimasu, which means drink coffee. コーヒーが好きです。コーヒーが好きです。which means I like coffee. And for the coffee, on the coffee in Japanese, they will serve in the office. For example, if you work in Japan and you go to visit your customer, and they will serve you by coffee, not tea or water. It's not tea and it's not water. They will serve you by coffee or kohi. So in the house, in Japanese house, they don't serve you by coffee too. So actually in Japan, they serve in the office by coffee. Coffee はいかがですか? Do you need any coffee? And when you go to the cafe shop, you can also say like コーヒーでお願いします. For example, if there are many kind of drinking, so you can choose, right? For example, juice or orange juice or milk and coffee, right? So it gets like this. You can say コーヒーでお願いします, which means please give me some coffee. 一杯のコーヒーをください.